How to fix all options grayed out in disk management in Windows. 1. Basic tips. Update your Windows. Run a full system antivirus scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Run sfc/dism scan as admin. Try using the recommended Avast. Driver updater in this video guide. 2. Select the appropriate or a different disk drive partition. 3. Run disk part and sudo. Command line tools. FYI, diskpart is a command interpreter that helps you manage your computer's drives, disks, partitions. FSUTIL is an additional command line tool for file, system, and disk management. It can help you change the short name of a file, find files by sys, security identifier, and perform other complex tasks. 4. Run chkdskns.m.a.r.t tests and hardware and devices troubleshooter, command, msdt.exe id device diagnostic. 5. Reset or repair Windows.